To download the Avaya OneX mobile IP app, first go to the Apple App Store and search for Avaya OneX Mobile IPO Preferred. You'll then want to select this app here. To download it, just click Get. Once the app is finished installing, we will need to configure it and accept the user's agreement policy. Now just click Open. Here the app is asking if it can use our contacts. For now, we're just going to click OK. Here the app is asking if it can send us notifications. For now, we'll just click Allow. And here is the user's agreement policy. We'll just click to accept for now. Here are the configuration settings. For the server ID, type in the following. For the username, you would just type in your Thomas More username. For the password, you'll type in your phone extension. Here, you have the option to change your password in the app at any time. If you scroll down to security settings, you want to disable validate server certificates. It is safe to proceed. Then you can click Done. Now that the account is signed in, you want to click the icon next to the grid in the bottom right corner. Here, you want to select VoIP. The VoIP is by default is disabled. To enable it, select Settings. Change this option to Always. Then click Back. Then select VoIP once again. Then lastly, click OK. Now your Avaya IP app is fully configured.